wish we had. I was just telling my colleagues that they must have these videos presentations. It gives a little bit of spice and some music and really helps grasp up things. But as of now, we don't have that. So you need to help us stay patient and cooperate with us with the presentation that we have. So to run through the presentation, we have an amazing 7 feet tall guy who can give you the presentation with clarity. Let me invite Mr. Mohan.
Hi people, I'm Mohan. We are from Sathlokhar Synergies ENC Global Limited. So we're basically an engineering, procurement and construction. We have in-house design team and we execute infra turnkey contractors, and we are majorly into the field of industrial, warehouse, institutional, and also we do commercial, hospitals, hotels and solar, and we don't do residential. Our company was established in the year 2013 by our MD Mr. G. Kyagu. Unfortunately, he wouldn't be able to attend meetings today. And our main founder was Mrs. Sangeeta Jagu. She is actually a civil background, and our MD, Mr. G. Thiago, he's electrical background. So they both founded this company. And our business model is to ensure that we provide one-stop solution for all our client needs. And when it comes to electrical part, so we are a government-approved A-grade electrical, high-tension, low-tension engineers and MEP contractors. And when it comes to solar, we are the authorized channel partner for Tata Power Solar and MNRE approved vendor. So when you just focus on our current ongoing focus, this is what our current ongoing projects. We have just listed 18 projects here, but we are currently doing around 36 projects, which is currently ongoing. So just to give you an idea about what type of company we are and what type of project we are executing. So the second one which we have mentioned, that the Reliance Consumer Products Limited, that is a most recent project which we got, and it is our company's biggest project till date, which we received as a single project. It's around a 440 plus crores project which we recently received. Except design, we are doing everything for them. Civil, PEB, MEP, SOP, and when you just focus on the next one, which is MBCPL, Mr. Muthya Muralidharan. Hope we all know that Mr. Muthya Muralidharan is a cricketer from Sri Lanka. So that's his project which we are doing. It's a tie-up with Reliance for a Campa, the drink manufacturing. So we are a little proud to say that all the Campa factories all over India, which is being built by us, like 5 Campa factories are there, which we are currently doing the 5th factory for Reliance. And we are also bidding for other factories as well across India. So that the first project came to us by Mr. Muthya Muralidharan, who is a cricketer. In his hometown, his background is basically he's a industrialist. So post which we have also currently working with a few other domestic clients, domestic clients as well as Japanese clients. And when you just focus on the second row itself is ensuring our company the next 2 to 3 years of 30 to 40% of revenues will be assured from the second row itself. Why I'm telling you this, because Mr. Muthya Muralidharan, who gave us the project of MBCPL, he is the one who gave us the project for Ceylon Beerage 2. That's his project which we are currently doing in Pune, Super Industrial Park. And the next 3 projects which we have mentioned there, which is Grand Atlantia Panapakam, High Glory, and Freetens. Those 3 companies are Taiwanese companies. They are the shoe manufacturers for Nike and Adidas. And when they, this is the first time they are coming to India, and all the 3 companies are competitors, and they gave the projects to us. So we are building all the 3 companies phase 1. And just to give you an idea, the Gap, which is Grand Atlantia Panapakam Hongfu Group, they themselves have invested around 1,500 crores here in India. And we are doing their first box, which is they have a plan to build 16 boxes. We are building their first box. And we also got awarded with second box. In the last month, we got awarded with second box. So that is ensured for us. Like we can expect a minimum 30 to 40% of revenue assured from the second row itself. And also, I would like to just highlight Reliance Industries Limited. So we are building the India's largest logistic park in Mappedu, which is in Chennai. So that has also been awarded to us, and we are only executing 66 acres of plot, which is for civil work, which we are currently executing. And there are 134 plus acres of plot, which is yet to be awarded in the phase 2, which will be definitely getting. And I have also mentioned few other clients here. We also, what type of company Sathlokhar is that? We are not only into EPC turnkey. We also take projects which is only civil or PEB or MEP, whatever it is. We are highly flexible. So these are the scope of the company. Our first major scope is civil multi-storied RCC, interior works and finishes. And talking about PEB, we have our in-house fabrication unit for PEB. We have actually 2 fabrication units in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu. And when it comes to MEP, we also give you design, also execution. The same applies for IBMS. And when it comes to solar, we have a tie-up with Tata Power Solar, who is our authorized channel partner. And when it comes to approvals, so what makes Sathlokhar unique from our competitors is that we also help our client get all the statutory approval. So whether it's Jammu or whether it's Pune or Varanasi or wherever West Bengal, we have done project like whether or whatever the state might be. Like if the client wants a statutory approval for them, like licensing part, we'll take care of it. We do everything for our client. So that makes our company a unique company and a one-stop solution provider for all our client needs. With the in-house design team, we have delivered several EPC turnkey projects to several MNCs. And the major what to say perk of having in-house design team is that we assured our client that their data won't be leaked outside. That will be much more confidential, and we have in-house this design team for specifically for architectural, structural, PEB, and MEP, and also for solar we have. And this helps us keep our client data confidential, move in a much faster pace in planning and execution. In the upcoming slide, we will be taking a look at few of our precious slides. Those slides consist of completed project as well as the ongoing project. And we are also currently working with 6+ Japanese client. Why I'm highlighting Japanese clients specifically here is that when it comes to papers and safety, they are our benchmark for pitching into other companies. When it comes to industries, whether it's a semiconductor or automobile or pharmaceutical or you just name it steel, you just name it any sector from industry, we have a very good pre-qualification with them. We have already done projects with them. So our mission is to be highly effective and attain the best end of customer satisfaction. And our mission is to provide the best infrastructure and prompt services by adapting innovative methods in construction practice. You can find this PPT on our website as well. We always uphold quality, environmental health and safety policy. These slides we usually use it for our clients, but I'll just run through it now. These are the few testimonials which we received from our client.
So we gave the construction to them, Muttea Beverages in Mysore. That site is a big site, 45 acres. They did it in 8 months and completion, and we are very happy about it. And also, we are going to in future work with them. And there is 2 more projects we're going to do in Jammu and also Hubli. So I'm saying that they are very good, and if somebody want to use them, they are one of the best companies.
So this is the first international project which we signed with him. So we are entering into Ceylon, which is Sri Lanka, for his factory. That's a small expansion which we are doing with Mr. Muthamuladan. This is also we got like last month. So just to give you a summary, our last year turnover was around 400 crores, actually it's 401 crores. And this year we have a strong guidance to doubling up our revenue from 400 to 1005 crores. So why we are telling you this? To support that statement, we have a current order book which is currently standing at 1397 crores. That's our current order book. And we have our pipeline orders. Like when you ask us what is your future plan and what is your future plan is looking towards, like, we have a pipeline orders. Like the pipeline is nothing but the orders which we have bidded. We have bidded for around 13,761 crores till date. And when you just check our last 3 years or 5 years of conversion rate, we have a strong conversion rate of 12 to 15% in EPC industry and in the past 5 years. So when you just compare that with our current pipeline orders, you can minimum expect a 1,700 crore revenue, which we plan for our upcoming year. So just to give you an idea, last year we got listed in NSE. So at the time, our professional strength, like our on-roll employee strength was around 195. And we had around a labor strength of 1,350 crores. At that time, we had around 14 projects ongoing. But currently, we have 36 projects ongoing. We are expanded to support that. We have hired or expanded our workforce strength from 195 to 537 and 1350 to 4,000 plus labors. We have come up with a strategy in such a way that we only manage in rupees cost per square feet. That's for any industrial, which is cars type of setup. So this will give a complete structure. So only for 996, which is a industry's best price, we can give you a proper A-grade warehouse. That's how we gather 60,000 plus leads till date. And these are few other expos which we have participated across India. You just name it any state, we have already been there. We have done expos there. So we just participating in every expo and just find us in every expo design and or industrial or construction expos. And this is a board team. So it begins with our MD, Mr. G. Tiago. He's our managing director and CEO. The next to him is our founder, Sangeeta Tiago, who is civil and the whole-time director. And here we have Mr. Vignesh, who's our development director, and other directors are mentioned there.
It's a 13-year journey. We started off in 2013, and we were a very small company. We started off was a very humble beginning back in Chennai, and it was just a few projects that we started. But then we began in Chennai, and then came Muttea Beverages of the companies, and then it happened in Mysore. It was a 200 crore business value. Uh, it was collaborated with the Reliance for Campocola project. And then we said, why not Karnataka? And then we began our presence, having our presence in and around Karnataka. And then Reliance came up saying, listen, why don't you guys do the same kind of business here in drilling 10 pipelines in Andhra? And then we went to Kurnool. And then at Kurnool, then since we had a presence here in Kurnool, we said, why not Andhra? So we expanded ourselves, spread our wings in Andhra. Likewise, we went state after state, city after city, and then we are right now at India. This has been as a company and as a team, we've been very aggressive, and this is how we've gone from Chennai to across India.
Thank you.